standing across from right now is 421 Garrett. This was the home of J. Stark Wayne, who lived from 1834 to 1907. He was a wealthy tobacco merchant and later the president of a bank. He built one of the first homes in the area as what was known as the Park Place subdivision, as I mentioned previously. By 1880, Wayne is residing here with his wife, Martha, and his daughters, Elizabeth and Daisy. Sadly, Martha dies just 2 years later in 1882, in July. Wayne marries again in 1884 in October to a neighbor here on Garrett, Lida Stewart. Lida is 24 years his junior, and they have one son named Richard. And funny enough, he lists his occupation as gentleman in the 1900 US Census. So, he seems like quite a character. He again makes the newspapers in 1902 for a wedding, go figure. This time to his third wife, Elizabeth Bougard of Canada. The couple is wed in York County, New Brunswick, on the Maine border. He's 68 years old and Elizabeth is 34. Wayne dies in Asheville, North Carolina in 1907, leaving a massive estate of $438,000, which is roughly $11 million in today's money.